Okay, hello everybody. Okay, I should put my mask on. Right now we are in Venice. So we just got in and we're about to start exploring Venice.
Venice, the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region, is built up of more than 100 small islands in the Adriatic Sea.
Okay, so here there's a lot of little alleys. We decided not to take the buses because they're expensive. So we've been, gondola. So we've been walking for most of the time.
Did you know that there are no roads in Venice? Just canals, including the Grand Canal, lined with Renaissance and Gothic palaces. Masks has always been an important feature of the Venetian carnival. It doesn't matter if you're rich or poor if you have a mask on, because nobody knows who you are.
We're going to the St. Mark's Square. Oh, look at that.
St. Mark's Square, or Piazza San Marco, is the central square. It is the heart of Venice. To make Venice habitable, early settlers needed to drain areas of the lagoon, dig canals, and shore up the banks to prepare them for building.
Okay, right now it's dark outside. We've been walking around for a couple of hours and now we decided to slowly walk back.
What is in front of you?
Glass sculptures. Murano in Venice.
Pizza.